How to take high quality photos with backlighting coming in through a window. In this video, I will show you how to take photos one level higher than normal when taking photos with backlit natural light coming in through a large window. This time, we are taking photos of the bride. The key is to make the dress look beautiful. Arrange the train of the dress to make it look beautiful. Soft natural light is coming in through the large window. Let's start shooting. First, take a photo with normal exposure as it is. Since the subject is backlit, if you shoot without exposure compensation, the subject will be underexposed. Next time, I will try shooting about 2 steps over. The subject becomes brighter and looks more beautiful. This is pretty enough, but to take it to the next level, I will try using a single strobe light from outside the window. This is a semi backlit light coming from behind the subject on the left as seen from the camera. By adding this light, you will get a sharp light. Let's take a shot. It's a slight difference, but this edge light gives a sense of depth and makes the subject stand out and making her more attractive. This is not a photo that just anyone can take, but using a strobe will take it to a higher level. You can also take a wide variety of photos by shooting while moving like this. Please give it a try.